cutie pies! It's me, Surprise Bunny. You know what time it is? It's toy time! I've got an amazing treasure map to show you today. But before we get started, I've got some amazing news. We're giving away a surprise toy package every week. Watch this video till the end to find out how you can get it. But anyways, let's get back to what you see in front of you. We found a surprise treasure map, and we followed all of the routes that it took us to look for treasures, and we found it. We found this beautiful treasure chest, and I'm gonna open it in front of you to show you what we've got. Are you excited? I am. Okay, let's get started. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. It's got all these beautiful surprise eggs and golden coins. Ooh, look at all these coins. Oh, all right, let's open some up. Let's try this one. Ooh, okay. Ooh. And we've got, ooh, one of the Thomas and Friends mini blind packs. Let's see what we got in here. We have a flyer. We have, ooh, look at this. Ooh. Oh, we have the heroes. Oh, this is what we got. Who do we have here? Do you guys know which one we found? Looks like D10. I wonder who that is. If you guys know, let me know. Put in the comments below. I'd like to find out who this little guy is and if he has a name. Isn't he cute? Alright, what's next? Let's open this treasure chest again. Let's take some out. Some more beautiful coins and surprise eggs. Ooh, this is lots of fun stuff. Alright. Oh, we got Pippa. Hi, Peppa Pig. How'd you do? You found me in an egg today. I certainly did. Oh, she's so cute. Look at all those piggy tails. Oh, nice. All right, who else do we have next? Let's open this one. This green leopard print surprise egg. Oh, we got a minion. Let's see. He's got his little hair over here. All right. Then what else do we have here? Let's open this one. Purple surprise egg. Oh, got one of those little squishy dolls. Wow. Ooh. And the eyes pop out. Boing, boing, boing. All right, what else do we have? Ooh, we got this purple swirly surprise egg. Ah. Oh, who is this? Let's open her. Okay. Oh, it's Sandy Squirrel from SpongeBob. Oh, you can take off her little helmet. Oh, look at that. See, look. You can take off her little, because she's underwater and she's not meant to be there, so she has her little diving suit. How cute. Oh yeah, there's a little bow on top for Sandy the squirrel. All right, what else do we have next? Oh, this is one of those little sticky frogs. Let's open it. Ooh, it's slimy. And look. Oh, look at all the little textures on top of him. It's one of those little sticky frogs. And it's squishy too. Let's see if it sticks. Oh, it sticks. Very cute. All right, we have a blue swirly surprise egg. And who do we have here? Oh, it's Plankton. Let's open him up. The froggy's still stuck. Plankton, what evil plots do you have planned for us? Look at him. He definitely is larger than life here. What is he carrying? A bucket? And a loudspeaker? Oh, he's so cute. Even though he's evil looking. Alright, let's put him away. Wow, the froggy is stuck pretty tight. Let's see if it stays. Still there. Alright, let's see what other surprise eggs we have here. Ooh. Let's see. We have a pink one with flowers. Oh, we have a Peppa Pig ring. Let's put her on. Actually, it's not fitting too good. Oh, let's put it on her here. Ah, here we go. Now it's fitting. All right, what's next? We have so many treasures. Let's grab some more. Big pink one, and a green one, and another pink with flowers. Oopsie, one just opened accidentally. Let's open this one since it's open already. This is a giraffe-looking pattern. Ooh! And we have a blind pack. Oh, we have Duck McStuffin's blind pack. Ooh, let's see. This is the Disney Doc. Ooh, okay. And we have all these surprise toys that might come in this pack. Let's see. So cute! And we got Lambie, except she's in this position. So Lambie actually shows up quite a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with different outfits. So this is her outfit. Oh, she's so cute! Look at her. Her little tutu is so cute. And it matches her gloves and her little socks or shoes, and she has a little crown. Alright, Lambie, and sit over there. What else do we have? Let's look at this pink surprise egg. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is so cute. It's a clear little friend. I think it's a Hello Kitty friend. Look it, so cute. It's a Hello Kitty friend, and you can actually string him up like on a necklace or something. Oh, he's so cute and clear and shiny. Very cute. Let's put you next to Lambie. All right, what's next? Let's look at this green swirly surprise egg. Oh, we have a minion. And this is one of those that you clip onto the bracelet band. I think this is Bob. All right, hang out with your friend. I think this is Kevin here. All right, what's next? Oh, we have another squishy toy where the eyes pop out. Wing. Boing. 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 You and your cow friend can have your crazy eyes together. Yay! Yay! We're part of a treasure chest. Yay! We're special. Moo. Moo. You can pick punching eyeballs. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Aren't they cute? Alright. What's next? Ooh, the frog is still stuck here. They're very sticky. Alright, what other surprise toys do we have in here? Oh, more! Okay, let's grab you. Whee! Whee! Some more coins! Okay. Let's open this one. This orange polka dotty one. Ooh, and we've got another SpongeBob character. And this is Gary. Alright, Gary. Meow. Meow. Gary is so colorful. Look at him. And his little mouth over here. Perfect for saying meow. This is what he looks like. With his green eyeballs. Very cute. Ooh, all my toys are all over the place. Alright, Gary. You can hang out with Plankton and Sandy right over here. Okay, what else do we have? We have an orange surprise egg. We have another clear present. I think it's another Hello Kitty. Oh, look at her. This is a little bowling pin and she's on the side of it. And it's so shiny. Look at her, she's so clear and shiny. Stuck on the side of a bowling pin. So cute. And here you can hook up for a little pendant too if you want. She's very cute. Alright. You guys can hang out together over here. Let's open this blue polka dot one. Oh, we have Minnie! And Minnie is one of those collectibles that you can stick on the bracelets. She's so cute. Alright, what is next? Let's open this big purple one. Ooh. Ooh, we have another blind pack. And this one is, oh, it's Care Bears. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, and we have Harmony Bear. She's so cute. Oh, look. Look at her little eyelashes on the side. And she has a rainbow on her tummy. Or rainbow flower on her tummy. Very sweet. Oh, and she has a little heart on her booty. Very cute, very cute. Oh, and she has a heart-shaped nose. Alright, Harmony. You can stand right here. Okay, next. Pink egg. Ooh, we have another Peppa Pig ring. Let's put it on this finger since I have one on this one already. Ooh, oopsie. Let's turn it around. Ta-da! Now my fingers are beautiful. Alright, what's next? Let's open this one. This big yellow one. Ooh, yay! Another blind pack. Okay. What is? Ooh, My Little Pony. All right, here we go. Oh, we have Pepper Dance. Look at the little chili pepper on her butt. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, Look at her. And she has little braids. Pepper dance. She is so cute. Look at her bangs. So cute. Oh. Very cute. Alright. Pepper dance. You can dance right over here. Ooh. Well, you almost stood on your own. Let's give you some coins so you can stand on top of it, yeah? There we go! Alright, ooh! And this has all of the ones that you can collect. Very nice. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, one more egg here. Oh, we have SpongeBob himself! Okay. Hi everyone! Alright, what's next? What do we have left? Are we almost done? Oh, we still have some more. Let's put them all out here. This treasure chest has been amazing. Look at all the crazy stuff. Okay. Ooh. What is this? This is a assemble kit. Ooh, let's look. There's so many pieces in here. Let's make some room for it. Let's see how this works. So it's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle sticker. It's the sticker. There we go. Now he's on. Ooh, we got his skateboard. Put him. Let's put them together first. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Oh, here we go. Hands. So it goes over here. Snap. Snap. Ooh. Very nice. And then, oh, his weapons. There we go. Ta-da! Ooh, he can wheel. Whee! Whee! You guys can wheel together. Whee! You can ride circles around everybody. Woohoo! Whee! Ooh. Very nice. That was fun. All right. What else do we have next? Let's open this one. Oh, we have a Hello Kitty. And this is like a little workout kitty. Let me see. Let's open her up. Oh, she has this little yellow leotard and a neon green headband and neon green shorts bottoms. So cute. Look at her. All right, last but not least, we have Georgie Pig, Pippa's little brother George. Oh, you guys can hang out together over here. Oh my goodness. Oh, one last one. This one just rolled away. Let's see what we have. Oh, our final Hello Kitty. And this one is the sporty one. What do we have here? Ooh, a soccer ball. And she looks like she's wearing a, what is that, a robe or a kimono maybe? But with a soccer. Wow. She's got lots going on here. How cute, look at her. So cute. And little soccer's a little bit shiny too. Oh, well, thank you everyone for joining me in opening my wonderful surprise treasure chest. We shall go looking for more treasures, and the next time I find another treasure chest, we'll share it together. Well, thank you guys. Until next time, see you later. Bye! Hi cutie pies! I have some amazing news! I'm giving away toys to my subscribers. Every week I'll pick somebody new. All you have to do to qualify are 3 simple things. Number 1, you need to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that, do it right now. Click or tap that subscribe button like you see here in this video. It's right below the video screen. Number 2, like this video. Tap that thumbs up button to show your support. And finally, number 3, comment on this video and tell me what you'd like best and what you'd like to see in a future video. I'll post a video every Sunday announcing the winner. Oh, and here's the cool part. If you comment and like my other videos too, you have a higher chance of being selected. That's because I pick from all of my previous videos and then select a comment and winner from there. So go watch my other videos and do the same thing there. Good luck, and thank you, cutie pies!